If you're looking to cultivate a sense of calm and resilience in your daily life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 daily Stoic rituals for unshakable calm. Let's get started. Ritual number 1, morning reflection. Start your day with a few minutes of quiet reflection. Ask yourself, what challenges might I face today? This prepares your mind to handle whatever comes your way with a calm and collected attitude. Ritual number 2, negative visualization. This might sound counterintuitive, but imagining the worst-case scenarios can help you appreciate what you have and reduce anxiety. Spend a few moments visualizing what you fear losing, and then remind yourself of the strength you possess to handle those situations. Ritual number 3, midday check-in. Take a break during your day to assess your emotional state. Ask yourself, am I reacting or responding? This simple pause can help you regain your composure and approach challenges with a clear mind. Ritual number 4, evening gratitude. Before bed, reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. This practice shifts your focus from what went wrong to what went right, fostering a sense of peace and contentment as you wind down. And finally, ritual number 5, reading Stoic texts. Spend a few minutes each day reading works by Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius or Seneca. Their wisdom can provide you with insights